Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to update sound drivers on your Windows PC. Click on the search box on the taskbar and type Device Manager and select it. Scroll down to see Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Double-click on it to view more hardware devices. Right-click on the Realtek audio driver and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will automatically search for any update, and if it is already installed in your PC, then it shows the required drivers are already installed. For instance, most of the processors are manufactured by Intel. Li. To update the sound driver using Intel, go to Intel website download and install Intel driver and support. On running the Intel driver support, it scans and displays the status of all the drivers. If there is an update in the sound driver, it recommends for driver update. If all the drivers are of the latest versions, it displays that your Intel drivers and software are up to date. There are many computer manufacturers viz. Dell, Lenovo, HP. The current process describes how to update drivers from Dell manufacturers. Go to Dell website download and install Dell Update Assistance. Click on Check for scanning drivers in the system. Post-scanning the application displays a list of drivers that need an update or repair. Look for the audio driver for updates or repair. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.